I started YouTube around 2021, and my goal was that I try different platforms in Nigeria and they work out for me, and I love sharing it or talking about it. So I decided to create a YouTube channel to start posting any platform that I tried that actually work out for me. That was my initial goal when I started YouTube. And everything actually went smoothly. I kept on posting, and some people love those platforms. Some people don't like it. Some people share their opinion. Some people were mad. Some people were happy. It was actually okay. Fast forward to late 2024 to 2025, YouTube actually changed their system. They start giving a lot of people strikes. They start giving a lot of people community guideline strikes. And the funny thing is that they won't even tell you a specific thing that you did wrong. They will not specify anything. They just come up and say, hey, we actually took down your video. No reason. They can remove 3 of your videos per day, 4 of your videos per day, even without telling you anything that is actually wrong. Because of this, if you look at YouTube very well, you're going to notice that most people in this particular make money online niche are no longer posting videos again. Some of them, their channel has been terminated. A lot of people that I know, YouTube have actually removed their channel. They're actually starting back from scratch. A lot of people, and these are people that have 30,000 subscribers, 15,000, 10,000. 30,000, 40,000, and even 100,000. I know somebody that had 200,000. There's this guy called Daniel Hosso. That guy have over 200 and something thousand subscribers, and YouTube still took down his channel. It's actually very, very shocking and very, very depressing to most people, because this is people's livelihood. This is how most people survive, and this is how most people make their money. Imagine you wake up one morning and your source of income has been removed. You feel very, very depressed, and if you're not somebody that have something by the side, you can be depressed for a very, very long time. If you look at YouTube today, you're going to see that the number of people that are posting make money online content have actually reduced. And if you see anybody that is doing it, know that that person is taking a lot of risk, because one day, someday, they might decide to remove their channel because of one or two things. If you go on TikTok, it's the same thing. This niche is very, very risky. So that is why a lot of people have actually diverted. A lot of my followers are asking me, Solomon, why are you posting on Cirrden? Cirrden is actually subscription based, and we have to subscribe to actually access some of your content. Yes, that is true. One of the reasons why I'm actually doing that is because Cirrden, I can actually post anything I want. Cirrden, I'm actually paying to post on Cirrden. It's not free. I'm paying them to post on Cirrden. Cirrden is just like Patron. I'm sorry for the inconveniences. It's not our fault. It's not my fault. It's because the YouTube system have changed. The things that you could post in 2022, 2023, you can no longer post them now. They are going to remove the videos and terminate your channel, especially now that AI is everywhere. And the funny thing is that even if they remove your content and you appeal, the system is actually broken. So you try your best to follow their community guidelines, follow their policies. Online survey just you answering questions about different products and different services for different companies, and you get rewarded for your genuine answer. That is just what online survey is actually all about. I am currently doing online surveys. I'm testing out different survey platforms, different survey websites that are actually working out. I have created a class that can help you as a beginner start your online survey journey, especially right here in Nigeria, because there are a lot of survey platforms that you can actually access, but you might not know how to go about it, and you might not even know the survey platform. So I have decided, or I have already built a class that can help you as a complete beginner start your online survey journey right here in Nigeria. Check out my Selim account. Just go over to my Selim account, check out the bundle page right there. You're going to see the class, and you're going to see other tutorials. You have 2 options. First option is just for you to subscribe monthly, a little monthly fee of just 2,000 naira, and you can access all the content on my page, all of them. You can decide to pay for each of the videos manually. And on my Selim account, I have a free section where I post different free tutorials about different updates. You see it there. And I have a paid section and I have a bundle section. That is another place where you can actually check out my tutorial. And another thing too, feel free to join my Telegram community. Join my community so that if there's any new updates, I'm going to update you guys. For my survey class, I have a WhatsApp group for my survey class. Right there, I give out free proxies. This has actually taught me a lot. It's very, very important that you have diversification, different places that you earn from, not just one income source. If not, you're going to be frustrated. That's why personally for me, I also do Facebook. And right here on this my channel, I also do tutorials on different ways you can post different kind of posts using AI on Facebook. That's why you need to start Facebook monetization. Subscribe to my channel right now so that whenever I drop new videos about Facebook monetization in the future, you are actually going to be notified. Another thing I started doing when YouTube started suspending some of my videos and giving me strike is called clipping. I started doing what we call clipping. Now, this is where you get different clips for popular streamers and you post them on Facebook and you monetize that particular page, and that is how you actually earn from that. Or you can join a very popular clipping platform called Warp. Warp is a clipping platform where you can clip different videos for different organizations, different people right there. And once they approve the video, every 1,000 views you get from that particular video, they can pay you $2 per 1,000 views or $1 per 1,000 views. I have done it. I have actually gotten paid from Warp. If you're a creator, you can try out Warp content reward program. Why not? Just clip videos for different people. These are different things that I personally do. That's why even when YouTube suspend my channel or demonetize my channel or give me different strike, it doesn't really bother me because I have a lot of things that I am actually doing. And another thing, you can also try faceless YouTube. A lot of people are earning a lot of money from faceless content right here on YouTube. Make money online niche is gradually changing, and the kind of updates you were getting before from YouTube, you will not be getting it anymore, especially from my channel. You will not be getting it anymore. So don't be shocked, don't be alarmed. I know most of you are surprised that Solomon, these are not the kind of videos we were posting before. Yes, these are not the kind of videos I was posting before. Even me, I am also surprised, but it's just because of YouTube has changed. A lot of things have changed, so we have to change with them. We just have to change with them. I've built this channel for a very long time. I put a lot of work, a lot of sweat in it. People that started with me would know that I started with a lot of effort and a lot of energy. So nobody will quench your dreams just because of a single channel. YouTube now has less employees and more AI, and the AI is just doing whatever they want. Don't be alarmed if you come on YouTube one day and you're not seeing any video again about any make money online channel or from any make money online channel or from make money online niche or whatever, because YouTube is changing and people actually changing with it. So don't be alarmed. And for those of you that are asking me, Solomon, why are you posting on cirrden? This is why I am posting on cirrden. This is why I am not posting on YouTube again. So it's not my fault. I'm really sorry if most of you are disappointed. I'm sorry, but this is just the main reason why I'm not posting tutorial videos anymore on YouTube, and it's really affecting me a lot. But we have to change, we have to evolve with it. So that is just how it is, and we can't do anything about it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you going to try clipping? I have made a tutorial about that. Are you going to try Facebook monetization? I am actually making a tutorial about that, or I have made a lot of videos about that. Are you going to try surveys? I have made a tutorial for beginners. Which of them are you going to try? Are you going to try YouTube automation, faceless channels? Just let me know what you think in the comment section.